Our avalanche field trip will take place at the summit of Whitefish Mountain Resort. It's a great place to learn all about snow science and avalanche safety. The summit is the highest point of the ski area, and to get there, we will take Chair 1. If you've never been on a chairlift before, this preview is for you. Let's watch Claire and Meg load the chair. When it's their turn, they walk up to the red line and wait for the chair to come to them. Then, they sit down, put the bar down, and the chair takes them away. There will be lift operators to help us on and off safely, and they will slow it down for us. The ride to the top takes about 8 minutes. If you're feeling nervous, ask your teacher to put a chaperone in your chairlift group. After the last tower, you can lift the bar. We will unload here at the summit terminal. When you get to the yellow "Unload Here" signs, stand up and walk forward. Then it's time for avalanche class. At the end of a full day of learning and having fun, we will get back on the chair and download. See you soon!